How to trade options on Fidelity. Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of trading options using the Fidelity Investments app. Options trading can be a powerful strategy for investors, and I'll make sure you understand how to do it step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Fidelity Investments app on your device and log into your account. If you haven't set up your account for options trading yet, you'll need to enable that feature in your account settings. Once you're logged in, tap on the Trade tab at the bottom of the screen, and in this section you'll find Options Trading as one of the available choices. Tap on Options to begin. To trade options, you need to choose an underlying asset like a stock. Use this search bar to enter the stock's name or ticker symbol. Select the stock from the search results to access its options chain. After selecting the stock, you'll see the options chain, which lists all available options for that stock, including call and put options. The options are organized by expiration dates and strike prices. Review the available options to find one that fits your strategy. Once you find an option you want to trade, tap on it and to view its details. Here you'll see important information like the premium expiration date and strike price. Make your selection based on your trade-in strategy. After choosing the option, tap on buy or sell depending on your position and enter the number of contracts you wish to trade. Select your order type like market or limit and review the details of your trade carefully. When you are satisfied with your order, tap on place order. You'll receive a confirmation message once your trade is executed. You can monitor your open options positions in the accounts section of the app. And that's how to trade options on Fidelity. With these steps, you can confidently navigate the options market. Thanks for watching.